An unboxing from Dawn's channel. Little package that I had no idea what I bought. I'm sitting outside and I tried to open up the package with one hand and hold the camera in the other. That didn't work out too well. So I went ahead and opened it all up because I had no idea what I got. But there's earrings, and there's very noisy ducks in the background, and this bracelet kind of reminds me of another era in my life. And then I'm not going to take this back out, but a necklace right here. So I didn't remember buying these, and I didn't. This is a gift from Steph at the Groves Bargain Emporium. So thank you, Steph, and thank you, Dawn. Just kind of ignore the noisy ducks in the background.